Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the first... What's going on? Froze. Wait. Oh, there we go. It's working. Anyway, how's it going, guys? What? Sorry. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing two videos today, opening my packs. So first up, we are doing my weekend league packs. So I only got 3 premiums and a weekend league pack. So let's go. Skip, it's nothing good. Oh, just got Savage, he's not too bad, but need it for coins.
Our app recognises unknown numbers and warns you about dubious callers. Spammers don't stand a chance. Do you ignore your phone when an unknown number is calling? Enjoy phone calls with an easy mind, thanks to Clever Dialer with caller ID and spam protection. Download the app for free now.
And we've got a weekend league pack. Let's open this. Choose one of 2 players. Oh, that's shit. Anyway, that's going to be end of the video. Sorry it's been short, but that's the packs for the weekend league. Ooh. I didn't open it. Right, I'll see you guys next time.